Dr. Ron Connor. I'm from San Antonio, and I'm an orthopedic surgeon here at TSAOG Orthopedics. I've always been fascinated by the human body, and as a young kid, I would actually go over to the Health Science Center here in San Antonio and look at anatomy textbooks. Didn't understand a thing, but I was fascinated. And then I became a gymnast at the University of Texas and decided I want to be an orthopedic surgeon. So I'm so fortunate to get to do that. I see patients age 14 and up. My current oldest patient is 102, but will take older. I see everything but disorders of the neck, spine, and hip. So that would include arthritis, rotator cuff problems, knee ligament injuries, knee replacement surgery, trigger finger, carpal tunnel, a wide variety. I would love to help you or your family members. I practice at 2 locations, one in the Quarry and one on the north side, so come see me here at TSAOG Orthopedics.
Y una cosa más, estoy cómodo hablando español con mis pacientes.